God. I don't want tapioca pearls. Hi guys, what's up? It's Emmy.
Hey, it's your girl Tori.
And this is More Entertainment. And we are reacting to Hook Up, a homemade series, episode 3. Episode 3. Yeah.
We are catching up, guys.
Yes, slowly but surely we are trying to catch up.
But it's good.
Mm-hmm.
The humor in this cracks me up.
We got on screen right now. You'll see him in a minute. Hilarious.
He is. The guy.
Hilarious.
It's the guy. Oh, what's his name?
Marky? This is J.ACE, I think.
I was talking about the character's name.
Oh.
Is that Henry? No?
Henry, yes.
Yeah,
Henry
Henry.
and then Mark Lee.
Yes. Henry cracks us up.
Mm-hmm.
His sense of humor.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
He's funny.
He is funny. Like,
Anyways, their socials are going to be linked in our description box down below. Make sure you guys follow them and support them. Show them some love. Also, our socials are down there as well. So follow us too, guys. Show us some love. While you're at it, hit the icon over there to subscribe. That'd be amazing.
Oh, with that being said, can we dive in because I want to watch? Okay.
Also, you might see my dog running around. Wasabi. He'll be he's sitting behind me right now.
Oh.
But yeah. If you hear something, it's my dog. But at least you won't hear cat scratching.
So do you hear her dog?
I think it's about time.
To
Heat up.
Also, I'll be snapping throughout this. So.
Just say yes.
Feeling ko hindi ako ready.
Then, why are you even on Findr?
Bakit parang galit ka?
I just wanna know. I wanna know why, kasi I want to know you more. Hindi pwede na magstay lang tayo sa relationship na to.
Relationship. That is the first time I've heard it called
Sa
that.
Findr
that's
ako kasi
facts.
may mga tanong na gumugulo sa isip ko. Gusto ko rin masagot.
Hindi ba pwedeng ako yung sagot? I have good intentions naman. Hindi rin ako player. Not even a Game Boy. Oo, we met sa dating app.
Yup. We were strangers.
We see what you did there.
We see it. That was funny.
We see what you did there,
That
guys.
was funny.
We see.
We like it. That was smooth.
Yeah.
That was smooth.
That's great. If you know, you know.
Yeah.
If you don't know,
you live
sorry.
underneath a rock.
yeah.
Highs and lows.
Uh-huh. I love the way that you make my day.
I love it.
Why do I feel like semi-attack? Like it's just gonna go off. What else are you gonna name?
I feel like we're in between.
Amore. Isn't that like love or something?
Yeah.
Eventually they're gonna slide
I
in
want
amore.
amore of you. I don't know. Anyways.
Look at us.
Yes. Kaya I want to know if this will actually lead us to better days.
Oh, that's another series that's coming.
Yes, that's what somebody wants us to do.
Yo!
Well, that's what a lot of people want us to
Yo, let me tell you.
do. We haven't
I
seen
like this.
Yeah, this right here, this whole situation, we like.
Yo, the fact that you're coming up with all these other BLs and just sliding them in so smoothly into the conversation, props to you. Like, seriously, that's hilarious.
I don't mind my jaw.
Watch something be extraordinary.
You can be my extraordinary relationship.
Right.
Soon.
Soon.
Pag wala na tong GCQ, MECQ, at kung ano-ano pang CQ.
Not just some quiet.
Yo, I don't know why we stop every single time. It's just, I think we're calling
Not
them
just some
porn.
porn things that turn into porn fling.
Well, some of these I wasn't even expecting them
Yeah,
to say.
no.
Like I thought they would say in between because that's been out for a while. I thought maybe amore. Yo,
This is funny.
this is hilarious. I love it.
Tukuan flings. No in-betweens.
There we go.
There you
There we go. We got in between up in there.
We
All
love
right.
in-between. Like, we genuinely love all
Yes.
of these. Like, each series is different, guys.
Yes.
So, please give them a chance. Please.
All of them. Don't be like biased or whatever, guys. Like seriously. But I'm curious to see what else he's gonna say. Like, what other dramas are you gonna spit out there?
Feeling sa sigurado.
Ayaw mo ng kamustahang bros, ah. You want the doors of love unlocked?
Unlocked is one that we want too.
I want us to be in that special relationship sana. Something that I can call my extraordinary.
Yes. Yeah. Swallow. Yo, this is like a game to us. We're like trying to figure out what else they're gonna
It's
say.
like Mad Libs.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love this.
Oh.
This was so freaking creative.
This is cute. Like, we're like 2 minutes and 16 seconds in, guys.
Oh my god, and we paused like 7 times. What?
Ideally, yung gaya sa mga pelikula.
Oh,
God,
that was yeah.
Pero for it to realistically happen,
Whoever did
mukhang
subtitles, thank
kailangan
you.
nating
Because
magpadasal
we
sa
wouldn't have
mga-
realized it was Gaia.
Sakristan.
What? Yeah, we
Listen.
guys, we've reacted to that too, but that will be on a different platform because we tried reaching out to
Everybody.
everyone and
We
no
could.
one wants to reply back, and it's one of those that are blocked on YouTube.
Which normally we can get things unblocked, but we can't if they don't want to have a conversation with us, so
So
it'll
that
go on
will,
a different platform.
that'll probably be on
A Patreon.
Patreon.
When we get it set up.
Yes.
Don't go looking for it, guys.
No, don't.
It's
not yet.
trash.
Not
Don't go
right
there
now.
yet, guys.
But because so many of you guys have requested it, and we do like it.
And
It's
there's
a
a
good story.
bunch of series
That-
and music videos that have been requested that we can't do because they get blocked. And like
And-
we reach out. Sometimes we can get them unblocked. Sometimes like with Sakristan,
We can't.
we can't.
But we want to show you guys that we are doing your recommendations, that we're not ignoring you.
So they'll
So-
be up on Patreon when we get around
Yep.
to getting that set up.
Hopefully this weekend.
Pero tignan na lang natin.
What are you gonna say?
Let's take it slow.
You're not gonna say more, eh?
I remember the day when we first met.
Well, was this out before More?
If in between was, yes. Corn Things just came out.
Oh, yeah.
Corn Things. The other one we just reacted to the teaser. Better Days hasn't come out.
Go check out More, guys.
Maybe it'll be toward the end because they're not at that love stage yet.
Yo, that whole thing was cute though.
My heart is falling for you, oh no. Haven't felt this in a while now.
So cute.
Think I like the way you smile at me, oh yeah. Think I like the way
His
you
voice is
talk
nice.
to me,
It
oh
is.
no. Think I'm starting to see where this is gonna go.
Amore.
Think I like the way you
We're
make
trying.
me laugh, oh
We know
yeah.
it's not gonna happen.
Think I like the way you cheer me up, oh no. Think I'm starting to see where this is gonna go. Think I'm starting to like you.
Oh,
It's so cute! Oh my gosh!
Bored lang si Henry. At pinaglalaroan lang ako.
he just said he wasn't.
Nakikipagsabayan
You
ako
never
sa
know until you
kulitan
try.
ko.
True, you'll never know until you try.
Paano pag hulog? Nahulog na ako. Yun pala. Nahulog lang ako sa taong di naman marunong sumalo.
Lay down.
Ayaw kong masaktan.
Oh, he looks cute with glasses.
Pwede
That's
na
adorable.
Mark!
Oh,
May nagpa-deliver ng chichira din eh.
kanino naman daw galing?
Ang nakasulat ay laro daw kayo ng ML. Kevin!
Ibuhos ang time sa ML.
Who's this other person? Who's this? Should we be mad?
Sige, sige, patay mo yan.
Oh, I was gonna be that.
Busy ka?
Oh.
E? Mark. Mark Lee.
Ayun.
Marky.
Uy,
Uy.
namimiss na kita.
Oh.
Nakakapiko na.
Dang.
Ay,
Oh. The game that I sent here, it reminds me of, because I know what game it is, because I used to play it. Oh, I forgot. It's on my PS4. But
ay nako.
What is it? I know what game that is. I know it. It's no, they have it on the PS.
Wisit, wisit. O ano?
Galit ka?
Oo.
Bakit? May nagawa ba ako?
Hindi. Wala, wala.
Eh bakit parang madalas kang naiirita?
Natalo ako sa ML eh. Ikaw kasi, tawag ka ng tawag.
Sorry po.
Hmm.
Sorry din.
Mhm.
Anong rank mo na ba?
Grandmaster 3. Hindi na ako makaalis sa sumpa ng level na to eh.
Buhatin kita?
Bakit? Anong rank mo na ba?
Siyempre, mas mataas sa'yo. Grandmaster 2.
Wow naman! GM2 ka pa lang? Siga ka?
Hindi naman, uy. Minsan lang kasi ako maglaro nito. Akin ang user ID mo.
Wait.
Sige,
Ooh.
laro tayo mamaya. Okay lang ba if magparang cup tayo?
Okay.
Oh,
Sige.
you playing that card? Okay, okay.
Sabay tayo?
Oh, that's cute.
Wait. Sino pala yung kalaro mo kanina?
Ooh,
Sige na, sige na. Laters.
Why don't you want to tell him who you played with? Hmm? Hmm?
Oma,
Hello anak, kamusta?
Mm.
ito po, okay lang. Kayo po dyan?
Okay naman, okay naman.
That's pretty.
Actually,
Mm-hmm.
Henry, may ipapadala ka pa ba dyan?
Hmm?
Ang gastos lang sana. Kinulak kasi yung budget ko eh. Yung mga kapatid mo wala nang makain dito. Kailangan lang.
Ma, baka naman po pwedeng pagkasyahin niyo muna yung napapadala ko sa inyo. Lahat po ng sideline pinasukan ko na. Tapos alam niyo namang sobrang hirap maghanap ng trabaho ngayon dahil sa lockdown.
Sabihin mo na lang kung ayaw mo.
Ma, nahihirapan din ako.
Mas nahihirapan ako. Henry, wala ka na ba talagang malasakit na sa akin? Yung mga kapatid mo,
Oh, wait till this
Ano ba sana
conversation's
puro
over.
sarili mo lang yung iniisip?
Then why don't you get help from their dad? Ma, please, itigil niyo na po yung bisyo niyo. Kaya hindi nagkakasya yung pera natin eh. Oo ma, I know all about that. That's why dad left us. Hindi. That's why dad left you. Ma, binigay ni Papa sa'yo lahat ng gusto niyo. Pinaubayan niya pati lahat ng ipon niya kasi akala niya aalagaan niyo ako. Akala niya man namamahalin niyo ako. Pero ma, anong ginawa niyo? Sumama ka sa iba, di ba? Dad died because of that. Sama ng loob.
When I met your dad, he never informed me about you and your mom. Henry, imagine may disbelief lang nalaman kong your mom passed away. Clueless ako nun, no?
Who said she did?
You know what? Akala ko it was just one of those May, December love affairs. When young girl meets an older guy. My gosh, yung responsibilidad pala nun. Nakasama nun.
Talaga ba? How could that be when we've heard so much about you?
Well, I heard nothing about you and that's just unfair.
So ano to? Payback?
Oh, no.
You know what? I don't care anymore.
You don't care anymore? Kasi nga, selfish ka. Kasi self-centered ka.
He is not.
Ikaw, bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan?
Wait
Dapat
till it's
ganito?
done.
Dapat ganyan? Dapat intindihin ka. Puro ikaw. Tama?
Lucas talking, ma. Lahat po ng sinasabi nyo, mas lalo na po kayo.
No!
Yes, ma. Lahat tayo nahihirapan dahil sa pandemic na to, eh niloloko mo rin ako. Ma, you're taking advantage of the situation eh. Di ba kayo nagigilty sa lahat ng ginagawa nyo? Sa lahat po na nangyayari?
Wow! Ako pa ngayon? And Henry, mind you guilt is an emotion that I don't suffer from. Guilt is for insecure people.
What about desperation, ma? Kasi yun lang po nakita ko nung na-receive ko yung tawag na to eh. Hindi ka ba nahihiya? Lahat ng friends natin, lahat po ng relatives natin, tayo na lang po yung pinag-uusapan. Ma, I want to keep my life private but you're turning it into a giant circus.
My life, my business, okay? I don't care kung anong sabihin ng iba at kung ano man yung desperation ko, it's none of your business. And whatever my vices are, I'm in control and it's in moderation.
Right. Even in family bondings. Calls galing sa pamilya, calls galing sa'yo. Sige ma, lahat itatake ko rin po in moderation. Bye ma.
Okay. So, I knew there was going to be a lot there. So, I have a few things to say. First of all, a parent should not guilt trip their child for not being able to send them money. Like, yes, the pandemic is hard on everybody, but it's hard on everybody. Even people still working. Like, we're in the medical field, so we still have to go to work. Like, we physically have to go into the buildings that we work at. So,
And
it's
I had
hard.
a coworker who tested positive for COVID-19 down my aisle, a few feet away from me.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was worried. I was like, okay, well, I'm more worried about my family because a lot of them have like sicknesses and all that stuff. Like they can't get it. So, but my job didn't even really want to get anyone down our aisle tested at all.
Because it's expensive. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, American healthcare system is shit. Anyways, don't, like, his mom should not be guilty. Like, the one that's not his mom. Even though he called her his mom.
I think it's just
out of
because-
respect. But that's obviously not his actual birth mother. 2, he obviously isn't working. So he obviously already sent you money. You need to control yourself better and budget what he sends you. Because obviously you have some addictions or whatever
Oh, you can definitely tell.
that you say you're under control with. Obviously
you're not. And the fact that you're willing to go with those addictions compared to the other, his siblings. God, I don't even know their ages.
No.
But that's sad.
Yeah. Regardless of their ages, the fact that you, like, I'm just going to say drinking. Like, for a parent to choose drinking over feeding their children, I could never. Like, how could you do that to your child? But also, I just don't like, I don't like her.
I don't either. I don't like how he
And
was
to call him
perfectly.
self-centered.
Yeah, when
and
he
selfish?
wasn't. He just said that he's struggling.
Yes.
He doesn't have anything
You're
either.
self-centered.
And
Woman.
he lives on his own and he has to deal with this. There are things that he has to do for himself. What do you want him to do? Go hungry?
Right. And it's like, you're saying he's self-centered and selfish.
But look at
You
you.
called him for money. And then when he said no, you tried to kill him. You're self-centered. You're a jerk.
Yes.
You're a big old me.
The fact that she said that she doesn't feel any guilt.
Right.
That
And that
pissed
it's
me
for
off.
insecure people.
I was
It's like you don't
excuse
feel
me?
bad, like you don't feel guilty that you can't provide for your children because
I would.
like I was adopted, so I've been there with parents who couldn't take care of me and my siblings. Like I have been there. Like that's one of the reasons I was adopted. But it's like, how can you choose these things over your kids and over the health and safety of your kids? And it's like, they obviously have different dads because he said get it from their fathers. And it's like,
So
you,
I
you
wonder.
went to him because he's a nice person. And he obviously does care about you in some way or else he wouldn't have sent you money at all. So he's
And
not
prob-
self-centered, you're just a jerk.
No, and I think he has respect for his dad who passed away too, and saw how much his dad loved her. And now, I don't know if she gets around. I'm assuming she may, based off how she's like wording things, like
And get it from their father.
Yeah.
It's possible.
But with that being said, we feel bad for Henry.
Sorry. Oh, I saw her floating around Twitter because we did follow the cast and the company and everything, and I saw her on their Twitter.
Yes.
So
It was for TikTok, wasn't it?
I saw a couple things.
Oh, really? I saw her TikTok.
I'm reading Dokboki if anyone's curious.
I'm a savvy.
Oh,
Yes, you
yeah,
are.
go for it.
Say it, honey.
Ooh, teach me your makeup skills because I can't get precise on some stuff. Because I'm not skilled at makeup.
That's cute.
Hi, Tito Casimiro? Hello?
It's Tita. I just thought of calling to say hello from the other side. By the way, what are you doing now? Am I disturbing you? Are you in class?
Tita Kasi, hindi daw muna po kami papasok sa school. Oo, yun, tama.
I know. Because of the pandemic, right? What I meant was online classes. Kamusta studies mo?
Wala naman po ngayon. Okay naman po grades ko nung last term at naka-break naman po kami.
So, how is my pinakagwapong pamangkin doing? Kamusta sila mama at papa mo?
Okay naman po kami. Trying hard to stay safe and healthy.
Aww.
Kayo po, kamusta po kayo dyan?
Well, New York is still New York. Although things have changed
love
through
New
the
York.
years.
We do.
When did I last visit you guys in the Philippines na nga? 5, 6 years
Oo
ago?
nga po. Marami na nga nangyari at marami na rin nagbago. And we're still in New York. Kubaw nga lang.
That's cute.
Tita, pwede po ba magtanong? Ano na nga po bang nangyari kay Tito Casimiro Bukaykay?
Okay.
Well, I'm Casimiro Bukaykay, no more. And I'm now Cashmere Bouquet.
Okay.
Iho, I know you're curious, but it's a long story. Let's talk about me the next time I call. Tell me more about your life there. My love life na ba?
Tita, di ko po kasi alam kung saan at paano sisimulan. Pero, I think I like someone. Yet, it feels more than just liking the person. Gusto ko siya lagi kausap. Nagkakaintindihan po kami. Ramdam kong inaalagaan namin ang isa't isa.
Oh, that's so cute.
Kahit hindi pa kami nagkikita.
Aww. Mark, it surely does feel good to fall in love. To be in love. Enjoy the process. Cherish the moment. Kailan may pakikilala sa akin? Anong pangalan niya?
Right?
May problema tita eh. Kaya di ko po siya mapakilala kila mama.
Wala siyang pangalan?
Ito naman eh.
Ano nga?
Ah,
Go ahead,
Seems like
say it.
his
Henry
name.
po.
His name, yeah.
Mark, you don't have to be shy or embarrassed about it. Hindi masama ang magmahal.
That's right.
Masarap ang magmahal at napakasaya ng may nagmamahal.
True.
At importanteng ipinagmamalaki niyo ang isa't isa. Walang kasarean ng pagmamahal, Mark. Always keep in mind and know in your heart that we all love you.
Yes.
Yes.
Tanggap ako ng pamilya. Matatanggap ka rin nila. I'm happy for you because you have love in your heart. Okay?
Too cute.
Opo,
Aw.
tama po kayo.
I like how he just accepted that his
Pero,
uncle is
tita.
his auntie.
Paano ko po pa malalaman kung ito na talaga yun?
Malalaman mo kasi mararamdaman mo. Follow your heart.
Give it a
Thanks
try.
for opening up, Mark. I'm happy that you're happy because someone's making you happy. You take care, Pamangkin. Hugs and kisses to
Auntie's
everyone
amazing.
there. Gabi na dyan, magpahinga ka na. Call me anytime.
Sobrang thank you po for being there. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Why else am I a Tita Lenyal? If not to be there for my handsome Pamangkin.
Aww.
What do you guys sing next?
Nothing? You're not gonna sing something?
I'm a Roger.
Yes. Love her.
Oh, he's so cute.
He's so cute. Why does he look so cute? I need a minute. Oh, okay.
You good? You made it up. Look at his little smile and glasses. Mm.
I don't know why I just find that look so cute.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Henry.
It's always so cute.
Kamusta ka? Ako, eto, nagno-note ako dito sa notebook ko, syempre. Alam mo, tumawag yung tita ko. At winento kita sa kanya. Gusto ko nga daw niya makilala eh. Tayo nga, di pa nagkikita eh. Mauunahan pa ako. Wala lang. Ang saya lang. Ganun naman dapat, di ba? Good vibes lang. Ay, sorry. Ang daldal ko pala. Ikaw ba, kamusta ka?
Okay.
Sa tono ng boses mo, parang hindi naman eh.
I'm okay.
Ka lang. Henry, I know you're not okay. Kung pwede lang kita yakapin dyan eh. Nagawa ko na.
Si mama kasi parang hindi niya ako naiintindihan. Lahat na lang inaasa niya sa akin. Isa lang katawang ko, Lee. Nung namatay si Papa, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na kaming mga naiwan, we shouldn't be responsible for each other. Na we're not each other's obligation. Lee, sabihin mo naman na tama ako.
Sorry, Paps. Pero mali ka. Tandaan mo, ito rin yung mga taong minahal ng dad mo. At gaya ng sinabi ko about you disconnecting from your friends to see kung sino talaga nagke-care sa'yo, it honestly sounded selfish. Think of what your dad would do. I-break yung cycle ng stepmom mo, Paps. Be the better person. And huwag kang mag-expect. Kasi minsan, Paps, you expect more kasi you are willing to do that much for them.
Hirap lang kasi, Lee.
Di ba nga, when things get tough,
You don't give up. You fight harder.
good.
That's cute.
That's what family does.
That's cute.
Si Siguro nga, kailangan namin protektahan yung isa't isa. Na kahit gaano kahirap or gaano kasakit, we stand by them.
Alam mo, Paps, yan siguro ang purpose ng pandemic na to. Yung lumaban at umasa. Na pwede pa tayo mag-start to be more caring, understanding, and start healing.
Than hating. Salamat, Mami.
Huwag mo nang patagalin, Paps. Tawagan mo na.
I will say, if he can break his mom's habits, then good for him.
Ma,
But she
sorry.
needs to think about her actions.
I wasn't trying to hurt you. The sad thing is, I wasn't thinking of you at all. Kasi po, for once, gusto kong unahin yung sarili ko. I was trying to protect myself. Kasi po, ayoko pong masaktan.
Well, everyone deals with their families in their own way, right? I realize na may mga bagay na mas importante kaysa sa pera. You're always there for me, or for all of us. And sana hapayagan mo rin ako na gawin yan sa'yo to make things right.
There we go.
Ma, may panahon pa naman po kayo para ayusin yung lahat ng to. I've said some rotten things.
And some rotten things have to be said and done the Henry way. Sana nakikita ng dad mo what a good person you turn out to be. Sorry.
Stop saying sorry, Ma.
Hindi, sorry nung sinabi kong you only care about yourself.
Siguro dahil wala naman talagang nagkikare sa akin. I just know that hurt people. And Ma, I don't want to hurt you anymore. Ayoko nakikita na puno ka ng galit. Kasi Ma, it makes me feel the same way.
So, you now want me out of your life?
Hindi, Ma. I'm forgiving you.
Oh. I always get shocked by how it like ends.
I like no warning at all.
No warning.
Ugh. That was a lot.
That was a lot.
We learned a lot.
We did learn a lot.
I'm glad him and his mom seem to be fixing their issues.
Yes.
I
do feel like she was still in the wrong.
Oh yeah.
But he's definitely being the bigger person.
Mm-hmm.
He was not really being selfish. When you get to that breaking point, you have to let things out for the other person to finally understand where you're at. So I feel like he spoke out exactly when he needed to. This was well overdue for him.
Yes. And I feel like they could find, like, because obviously this has been like an off and on thing between him and his mom. So hopefully now in future episodes, if his mom returns, so I'm sure she will, but I don't know because I haven't seen them, it'll be a little less hostile and a little more loving.
Facts.
So I'm excited.
Me too. Which we're about to watch the next episode.
Yes.
We love you
So,
guys.
yes, we do, guys. We love you. Bye.